Are all events that occur in each individual's life predetermined purposefully, or are we all, as a herd, subject to the forces that govern the universe, including the physical forces that are known or unknown to us?
Everything is in the original thought of love, bestowal, and conclusion, and inclusion that is at the impulse of the upper force. The upper force is the desire to bestow, to fulfill, to create, to evolve, and to completely fulfill. Nothing else happens other than that. It's all managed by this inclusive quality, and nobody is outside of it. There are no independent or rogue forces. And everything, there is a phrase which says there's none else besides him, him being the force, meaning the force of bestowal, and that there is no force that stands against it. Everything is actually managed by it. That is the macro world. That is also our own inner life is managed in that way. But what we need to understand is that the development of a person has got to do with the agreement of our heart, which is actually our intention, the agreement to accept this love and to live in that and not to hold ourselves back from the integrality of the entire system and from our connection with it. And we only get access to it by by including ourselves fully and completely in the good of others. Because that's where the handles are for us in this world. It's really other people. There are no forces other than that single force, and the question of our agreement or our intention, even though we're built to feel that we're outside of it.